everyone. I'm Donna Bush. Thanks as always for joining us on this Thursday evening for your CIG Television News Brief. The Honorable Kenneth Bryan and the Ministry of Tourism and Ports have announced that the highly anticipated State of the Tourism Industry Conference will take place right here in Grand Cayman next week. Now, the Department of Tourism, in collaboration with the Caribbean Tourism Organization, is hosting the premier regional event. SOTIC 2024 themed Caribbean tourism, fueling our lifeblood. The State of the Tourism Industry Conference will bring together Caribbean tourism ministers, senior officials, industry executives, and stakeholders to discuss the future of Caribbean tourism. Minister Bryan says as his tenure as chairman of the Caribbean Tourism Organization nears, he is thrilled to welcome his colleagues and delegates from across the Caribbean diaspora to the Cayman Islands for this prestigious conference. This is a unique opportunity, he says, to bring together some of the brightest minds in tourism to discuss the opportunities and challenges specific to our region as we navigate our way towards a more robust and resilient Caribbean tourism sector. Now, public registration is available for the 2 days and includes lunch and networking receptions. For more details and to get registered, you can visit www.sotic.onecaribbean.org. Now, the conference will feature a series of dynamic panel discussions and keynote addresses. Turning to an important update from the DEH, following a recent court case involving a West Bay resident, the individual was fined $300 for illegally dumping litter on private property. This case underscores the Department of Environmental Health's strict enforcement of the Litter Act. Under the Litter Act, the 1997 revision, offenders can be fined up to $500 or face imprisonment for up to 6 months.
The hard work and dedication of our environmental officers in upholding the act regarding littering is commendable. We take these matters seriously and will continue to prosecute anyone caught littering. Keeping the island clean is a shared responsibility, and we urge everyone to do their part.
Now, the DEH reaffirms its commitment to protecting the Cayman Islands' environment and commends its environmental health officers for their efforts in addressing littering offenses. With 5 more cases yet to go before the courts, this serves, they say, as a strong reminder that violations will result in legal action. Now, if you'd like to report instances of littering or illegal dumping, you can call 949-6696 or email DEH customer service at gov.ky. For more information, please visit the DEH's website as well. Finally, for the first time, the MRCU here in the Cayman Islands is hosting a Caribbean Public Health Agency workshop. Here's more information from the Cayman Islands Mosquito Research and Control Unit.
So CARPHA is the Caribbean Public Health Agency, and we attend to 26 member states. And as many of you would be able to appreciate, mosquitoes are a real issue in the Caribbean region. And because of that, we're constantly reviewing how best we can support member states in addressing this problem.
It's good to get collaboration within the Caribbean. We all work in silos a lot, so it's good to have these meetings where we'll get to meet other people from other countries working along similar lines and dealing with similar problems.
We are conducting a workshop for CARPHA, and it really is designed to help nations elevate their expertise in the maintenance and calibration of their mosquito control equipment. So we are going through day 1 on classroom and theory on how this is best accomplished and the best practices. And then day 2, we will actually be doing hands-on and showing them on the machine itself, the maintenance that's needed, the calibration and particle testing to make sure that the piece of equipment is putting out the exact amount of product as well as the droplet size, so it is most effective in controlling their mosquitoes and hopefully preventing mosquito-borne diseases.
Oh, definitely excited because I can take whatever I've learned from here and take it back home and apply new methods and new strategies and new concepts to mitigate our issue in regards to dengue transmission and malaria control.
Cayman and Turks and Caicos have the same similarities when it comes to nature with the groundwork, the trees and everything. So I think what I will learn here will be able to apply in TCI.
This is the first time that it's been done here. Normally we would go for training in Trinidad would be the main focus location. I think previously the last training of this type was done in Trinidad, but Cayman does have good resources. We've got good facilities here, so I'm hoping this is the first of something that will continue in the future.
The Cayman Islands, because we recognize that there's tremendous infrastructure here, not only do you have a very good operational system in terms of delivering mosquito and vector control interventions, but also you have a very scientific approach to doing this. So for example, it's called the Cayman Islands Mosquito Control Research Unit, right? And this is impressive. It means that even in the name, there's the identification of the importance of research in terms of finding new knowledge and using it to inform actions on the ground. So we really appreciate this, and we're happy to be in the Cayman Islands. It's the first time for me, and we hope that we can continue to build this partnership. And as we recognize, if you have expertise and strengths, as you certainly do in the Cayman Islands, we're looking to see how we can work with you closely to help to assist those who might not be as strong in these very important areas.
Now, the 3-day CARPHA workshop ended today. Let's take a look now at our weather conditions. We can expect isolated showers as we've seen today as an upper level trough moves over the Northwest Caribbean. Light winds and slight seas are also expected over the next 24 hours as a weak pressure gradient dominates the region. Tonight we can expect partly cloudy skies with a 30% chance of showers and possible thunder in our area. Seas will be slight with wave heights of 1 to 3 feet. A tropical wave over the Central Caribbean is expected to move over the Cayman Islands area by Friday morning. An increase in cloudiness and of course a chance of showers is expected as that wave moves west of the area. Now, the National Hurricane Center has marked a tropical wave over the Atlantic Ocean with a 40% chance of cyclone formation in the next 7 days. The Cayman Islands National Weather Service will continue to monitor the development of this system. Meantime, of course, we encourage you to check out the best source for local weather coverage. That's the Cayman Islands National Weather Service. They have a Facebook as well as a website that you can check out. If you just happen to be watching us on our YouTube channel, we ask you that you take a moment to like, share, and subscribe for the most accurate local government news here in the Cayman Islands. I'm Donna Bush. Have a great evening.